Hi everyone, welcome back to Study Planet. Today I received an important email regarding RRB JE, DMS and CMA City Intimation Slip, and I want to share this important update with you. In this video, I will show you how to check your exam city, date and shift step by step everything from the official website. So don't skip this video and watch till the end. Many students are confused. City slip is not a admit card. It only shows your exam date, your exam city, sometimes shift timings. The slip is given so that you can plan your travel, book tickets earlier, avoid last minute tension. And important, admit card will come 3-4 days before your exam. For example, my exam date was 19th Feb. So day after tomorrow or tomorrow they may be released the admit card. Now let's see where to check. You must open your RRB regional website. I will post this link in description. Example, Secunderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, Kolkata. I selected in registration time, I selected Secunderabad. If you are from Telangana or Andhra Pradesh, open rrbsecunderabad.gov.in. I will show the steps now. First, open Google RRB Secunderabad official website. Click the official website link. On homepage, look for CNJE or DMS or CMA. Exactly in the video, check, observe the video and click on that link. Click on exam date and city intimation link. Step 5, login page will open. Now enter registration number, date of birth and captcha. Registration number, if you forgot your registration number at the time of registration, you downloaded one PDF. In that PDF, you have your registration number. Enter that registration number. After that, you have to enter your date of birth. After clicking on login, your city slip will appear. Here you can see exam date, exam city, and shift timings. Download it or take a screenshot. Please remember these points. City slip is only for information. You cannot enter exam hall with this. Admit card will be released later. Keep checking the website regularly. If your city is far, plan your travel now and carry valid ID proof on exam day. Here are my exam details for the Railway Recruitment Board JE exam. My exam city is Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. The exam date is 19th February 2026 and my shift is shift 3. For shift 3, reporting time 3 p.m., gate closing time 4 p.m., exam start time 4:30 p.m., exam duration 90 minutes for 100 questions. Please note, this is only a city intimation slip, not the admit card. The the e-call letter admit card will be available 4 days before the exam, and entry is allowed only with the admit card and valid original ID proof. Also carry two original ID proofs and make sure your Aadhaar is in unlocked condition. Unlocked condition means your Aadhaar should be active and accessible in the UDI systems. Sometimes people lock their Aadhaar biometrics for security. If it is locked, fingerprint or verification will not work and identify verification at the exam center may fail. So before the exam, you should unlock your Aadhaar. Is this important for RRB exam? The Railway Recruitment Board may verify your identity using Aadhaar authentication, biometric verification. If your Aadhaar is locked, you may face the delay in entry, verification problems. In some cases, entry may be denied. How to unlock Aadhaar? Go to UDI website. I will give this link in the description. Click lock or unlock biometrics. Log in using Aadhaar number plus OTP. Click unlock biometrics. Unlock it one day before exam. And one more thing, I received the city slip email at 10 p.m. on February 13, and to bring this complete information in one video, it took me almost 3 hours of work for editing. So if you feel this video is helpful for you, please like, share, subscribe to Study Planet. And one more important thing before ending my video, I want to share something important with you. If you are preparing for RRB JE or any other competitive exam and you don't have clarity about the exam pattern or preparation strategy, please visit my YouTube channel Study Planets. On my channel, I have already uploaded exam pattern and awareness videos on RRB JE, how to prepare for RRB JE from scratch, practice test videos for physics and chemistry, and preparation guidance for both government jobs and IT jobs. Also, if you have any doubts, you can comment below. Your question may help many other aspirants who have the same doubt. In the next 4 days, I will be posting 2 to 3 practice videos daily. So stay connected. I also created videos related to Kaushalyam, skill platform, and career guidance, and lot of IT job related videos. If you have any doubts regarding those, please check my previous videos once. And thank you so much for watching Study Planet. Please like, share, subscribe to Study Planet.